Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Daksh Yadav, and first of all, I'm sorry for the mic. I know it may be very low, so it's hard for you to hear, but this is what I'm having right now. Now, you may wonder who am I and what is this channel about if you come across. Basically, this is for my personal purpose. This is like, how you say to build. Your communication skills or your confidence and yeah that type of rap, social skills and yeah, so yeah, like that is the primary purpose. The secondary purpose is mm, I was kind of thinking to share, actually not share, this is what I've been watching, uh, and doing for around 4 or 5 years, yeah, after COVID, you can say after COVID. So yeah, this is the skills that I had. So and I thought, why not post it on YouTube. I'm sorry, not Facebook, on YouTube. Thanks to a friend who suggested this. So yeah, like moving on to the main thing, what we are having. This is yes. First of all, I use this Grow Terminal. A lot of people use the famous TradingView or other sites like Interactive Brokers or maybe other, but this is my primary. Why I use it, I don't know. It's just I use it at first. Uh, there is a slight disadvantage of this terminal also because it doesn't provide the in-depth indicators. Like if you want to do say CPR, like central pivot range type of setup, or Hakinashi, or like like this platform is for very very basic, like when you do price actions or use like simple moving averages or whatever, like this, it's good for that. But if you want to enter, maybe in future I will make a video on that, but right now I'm not that interested. So yeah, and yes, one major question that some of you may ask, what is the sole purpose? Sole purpose is for me personally, like this is for me. I want to make how you say, a proper trading setup, so that in future, or maybe now, if I want to do swing trades, so like I have an idea like what I'm doing as my second job, because I'm not in the finance. And yes, this is not any sort of scam or sorry, no, that's not the word scam. Like this is not any type of platform where you get tips or tricks, like to buy this and buy that. This is just basic thing that I am sharing for myself. But if you want to look at how price moves and how other stuff moves, then sure, you can see. I'm not a broker. In fact, I'm not even close to a broker. I'm not a financial analyst. Uh, this is just me and my knowledge. So yeah, like currently it's 3:15 and we've been and I have a keen interest in Suzlon. It fall, like if I say, where is this? Yes, from its top, it has fallen around. So, like if we look at how much it has fallen from its top, it has moved around 35%, 36% down, and to its low from high, it has fallen around 45%. Well, you guys already know what was the reason. It was like the tariffs and stuff, and then FII selling, overall global sentiment was down. So yeah, now if I move up, Oops, yep. So if I move my yes, where was yeah? So like I made a simple resistance line. How I made it? Like the price test this range one. You can say two, three, 4, 5 times. Three, and it also like crossed it, but next day it shows a big upside. Yeah, quite normal upside. So yeah, how you make these lines? Like just follow a trend and see like which price range the selling is testing. Like the term price is testing. It's called the demand zone. Uh, it's called the demand zone supply. No, yeah, that's the demand zone. Yes, I was confused. So yeah, so like I put arrow like from the down and just get an idea. Just get an idea. Like here we can say a spring formation, so it kind of like moves sideways and then it shot up. It doesn't shot up at that much. Like if I see this candle, like it moves around 56.40, but then it came down. uh, like the other reason is also this: the Nifty mid cap. Suzlon is a mid cap share, and there was heavy selling in Nifty mid cap and small cap. So yes. Now if I move to Fibonacci, what is Fibonacci? Maybe we can tell later. But now, if in a lame terms, you can say Fibonacci is like you can say C, this 100% 78, 62. So these are the range to which, like, if a share price is 10, at how much discount will I get the price? If I am wrong saying this, please let me know. So yeah, like it acts as a buying zone also. Like they say if the price falls below 38, it shows like it's a downtrend. Yeah, or sometimes people say it's 0.38. Like this it's 0.38. So if it falls below from the top, it says it's in a the downtrend. So it kind of break this. It took a support, it went up, and then there was jiggle piggle, and then it's like around like this. So it's more like how can I remove it? I don't know. Well, I will say it later. So what's my strategy for Suzlon? Like you need to like find some. First of all, you need to find the range and the global sentiments. Like you can see on 2nd April the oh, the tariffs. Mr. Trump will impose the tariffs, and we'll see how the market will how the countries will react. Actually, there was a lot of positive news from Indian sides. Like it will not impact as much as it should. Like the speculations were. Oh, but yeah, we have to see how the market react, and basically then how mid cap and small cap react, because the FIIs have a huge stake. So when they sell small cap and mid cap, get suffered. And Suzlon is a mid cap also. So yeah, she will suffer or he will suffer. I don't know. So yeah, uh, and this happened despite of the major profit in the last quarter. Well, yeah, it's an overall downtrend. If I say if I'm going to buy it, I had actually where around 55, 54 something. Uh, What's my main target? My main target is around 57. And what's my stop loss? Well, my stop loss is actually quite far because my entry was kind of a sloppy. It was not as perfect because overall sentiment is not good. I made a very quick decision, which I'm not proud of. But yeah, we'll see how the market is gonna react. And yes, I do trade with news. I do trade with indicators. Do I always use these types of indicator? No. Do I use these types of Fibonacci and other stuff? No. Uh, I take the help. Do I only rely on RSI? No. Uh, well, stick around it. You will see. This is my first video. This is actually my first video of my life that I'm making, and I chose the like the most simplest yet most complicated thing, and also sometimes controversial because everyone uses their indicator, everybody has their own sense. So yeah, I did, and maybe later I will tell you about the fundamentals, like how you can find the intrinsic value, or and actually there is a website for that. You don't need to make yourself, because things have been easy nowadays. So yes, and yeah, yeah. Uh, in the basic short term, I can say this is the support. Where is it? Around 51.89, and the resistance is 57. If it went past and the tariffs are good, then it can shoot up to around maybe you can say 61. Yeah, is there resistance at 61? Yep, it can go there also. 61, yes. So yeah, 61, and then we just move on. Like like where is the resistance, or where is the supply? Mostly like high selling. We will come on the topic later. Like, I got things in my brain, but I'm doing for first time, so it's hard for me to explain everything. But yeah, but this is it, and the market is closing. Today is 18th of August, and yeah, this is pretty much it. Nifty mid cap. Well, you guys already know the amount of stuff that is going on here. Yeah, first the red line is the 20 SMA and 50 SMA, and I will give you guys a very basic, or you can say a very cheap trick. Actually, like this is 20 moving average, and this is 50. Okay, so if the price tends to move far from this average, like there is a sudden upside or there is a sudden downside, the price always tends to move close to the average. So if you are in a downtrend and there is a sudden fall, and you saw like the particular stock fall 7% a day, 10% another day, or like there is a huge significant drop day after day after day after day, and it moves far from the moving average. The moving average didn't move, but the stock moved. There is a Actually, there is not a possible chance it will move to the moving average. It always does. And so here it falls sharply, and then there were 2%. It was, I think, due to the profit that the company made. Yes. So yes, we'll come on the volumes and stuff later. So yeah, this is a very basic. Just don't rely it on like completely. But yeah, this is very basic. If you wanna do trade based on the moving average, and on an uptrend, if you want to see, the 20 moving average should be above the 50 moving average, and the price should like goes like this. You can see and then how it fall the news of Trump, the tariffs were came like they came around here. And what is the time? I had no idea. It's around, oh yeah, it falls around September. Yeah, they were selling it. Just, yeah, like it is what it is. So guys, yeah, this is Daksh Yadav. This was my first video. Hope you like it. Don't mind my microphone. Don't mind. Yeah, first of all, if you stick around this long, appreciate it. Yeah, don't mind the microphone. And please, I am trying to be new, charismatic, or that type of shit that society needs actually. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys, and God bless you.